For our problem number 2, the thing is, working together is much easier than working alone. I have here two people. One is a carpenter assistant and one is a carpenter. Sabi dito, our carpenter assistant takes 3 hours longer to complete a project than it takes the carpenter. So, ibig sabihin, sa madaling salita, mas mabilis magtrabaho si carpenter than the carpenter assistant. So, sabi dito, we don't know, no? We don't know. By the way, together they can finish the project in 2 hours. So, that is their given scenario. Pero hindi natin alam kung ilang oras ba nagtatrabaho si carpenter. Tama? Kayo alam nyo ba? Hindi pa natin alam. So, pag hindi natin alam, may ginagamit tayong variable. So, ang ginagamit natin dito is unknown variable na x. Okay, you can use any letter if you want to, but for this method, we will use x. Okay, I will change this particular. And then, the carpenter assistant takes 3 hours longer to complete a project. So, ibig sabihin, yung carpenter assistant, ito yung carpenter natin, mas matagal siya magtrabaho ng 3 hours. So, ibig sabihin, yung work na oras ng carpenter, mag-add tayo ng 3 kasi it takes 3 hours longer eh. So, mas matagal siya kaysa dun sa carpenter. Pero kapag nag-work sila together, they can finish the project within 2 hours. So, ibig sabihin, kaya nilang tapusin ng project sa span of 2 hours lang. There's a problem here. Sabi sa first problem, if x represents the number of hours it takes the carpenter to finish the project alone, what do you think is the expression represents the number of hours it will take the carpenter assistants to finish the project? So, ang gagawin lang natin dito, we will just find out what are the given for this particular problem. So, the given here, okay, the given would be, let x be the number of hours the carpenter finished the project. Okay? So, expression lang ang hanapin natin. Let x, the number of hours the carpenter finished the project. Okay? So, yun, si x yun. The next one is, let x, once again, plus 3, yun naman yung carpenter assistant. Number of hours the assistant carpenter complete the project. And finally, kapag nag-work sila together, 2 hours, they can finish the project, the given project. Okay? So, in this question, ang pinakasagot lang dito ay yung mga expression line like si carpenter nagre-represent sa x, si assistant carpenter nagre-represent sa x plus 3. Okay? So, ito yung mga given ng particular problem na to. Okay? And we have to use it in this particular second question. Okay? Now, as we continue our discussion, we have this particular given. Okay? So, ang sabi dito, our carpenter here, sa isang trabaho, it will take how many hours? X hour. Okay? Para matapos yung isang project. Also, yung ating assistant carpenter, sa isang trabaho, para matapos yung isang project, it takes X plus 3. Ibig sabihin, yung number of hour ng trabaho ni carpenter, mas matagal ng 3 oras. Okay? Pero pag they work together, they can finish a job, yung isang trabaho, ng 2 oras. That's why we have this particular equation. And we all know kung anong gagawin natin dyan. Okay? We just need to find out kung gaano kaya katagal nagtatrabaho si carpenter kapag natapos niya yung project alone. Okay? Yung x lang yung hinahanap natin dito. Let's find out. So we have to get the LCD of this particular equation. The LCD are x times x plus 3 times 2. Okay? So as we go through, ito na, no? Hindi ko na nilagay dito pero automatic na yun. So we have this particular term. Multiply natin dito sa first term natin. Ang gagawin, tatakpan lang natin si x. So the remaining would be like this. So we have 1 times x plus 3 times 2. Okay? Basically, tinanggal natin si x. Okay? The next one, this one, multiply naman natin dito. Tatanggalin lang natin si x plus 3. The remaining would be plus 1 times x times 2. Okay? Yan, tinanggal natin si x plus 3. And for our final term, on the right-hand side, multiply natin ito dito sa 1 half. Okay? Tinanggal naman natin dito si 2. The remaining would be x times x plus 3. And we get to simplify this particular equation by distributive property. 1 times x plus 3, wala naman mangyayari dyan. Ganun pa rin yan. Okay? So, proceed na tayo sa 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times 3, that is going to be 6. 1 times x and 2, that is 2x. Okay? Ngayon, sa right-hand side of our equation, x times x should be x squared. Yung x, pag minultiply sa 3, that is going to be 3x. Okay? So, as we continue this particular equation sa ating right-hand side sa part na to, so, i-continue natin, we will just combine like terms. Okay? This one is the same for this one, so we can combine them. 2x plus 2x, that is going to be 4x. At matitira dyan si 6, positive 6. Sa ating right-hand side, x squared plus 3x, wala naman tayong babaguhin dyan. Kukopyahin lang natin yan dito. Okay? So, again, our goal is to find the x here. Kasi yun yung oras na nagtatrabaho si carpenter to finish the project alone. Okay, so ngayon, we will just move this particular terms sa ating right-hand side of our equation to make it this one. Ito magiging 0 sa kabila, x squared plus 3x. Positive 4, pupunta sa kabila, magiging negative 4x. Positive x, same, magiging negative 6. Okay, then we combine once again the like terms. X squared we can combine this one, 3 minus 4, that is negative 1, or negative x minus 6 equals 0. And we get to factor this one. So we can factor, or we can easily write it as a standard form. So this is gonna be the standard form. Okay, ito na yung pinaka-standard form natin. Inayos ko lang yung format, and we get to factor it. Okay? So what are the two factors that are the product, or that is the product of negative 6 and the sum of negative x? Can you think? Very good. That is negative 3 and positive 2. Okay? So when we get the x minus 3 equals 0, we also get x equals 3 because we transfer negative 3 to the other side. Also, sa kabilang banda, we have x plus 2 equals 0. We transfer it, x equals, that is negative 2. Okay, oras ang pinag-uusapan. Tatanungin ko kayo, meron bang negative na oras? Of course, walang negative na oras, so hindi natin to pwedeng gamitin. So, ang oras ng trabaho ng carpenter natin ay equals sa 3 hours. Again, therefore, the number of hours na nagtatrabaho si carpenter is equal to 3 hours. Okay, yan ang hinahanap natin dito. So, ibig sabihin, kaya niyang tapusin ng trabaho o yung project ng 3 oras alone. Okay? Again, hindi natin ginamit si negative 2 dahil siya ay negative. Walang oras na negative, palaging positive ang ating oras. Okay? So, let's proceed to our next problem. So, the problem for this particular given is